Welcome to UI Development Pro. In this video we will create 3D animation effect with mouse hover. Now check the code inside the body tag and in the CSS file. Now create a simple HTML file and attach the CSS file by using link tag. Then create a div tag with class name as CSS with text India. And copy the India tag 10 times and place inside a div with class content. Then, above the content tag write a div with class name cell and repeat for 225 times. Now, add CSS properties inside style file. First, we will add Google Font Predicator. You can copy the import file from Google Fonts. Then we'll write properties to body tag and cell tag. The body having dark background with full height of 100 VH and displays as grid, and create a grid with 15 columns, and each column will be equal size and occupy a fraction of 1 fr of the available horizontal space within the grid container, and cell having of width and height of 100 pixels and z index as 2. Then we will add nth child properties to the cell. We'll repeat the same for 15 times as you can see in the code. First we will write nth child 15 plus 1 hover on the content as position x0. Then we will write nth child n plus 1 of nth child of -1 plus 15 hover on content as position y0. Then you have to repeat this for 15 times by increasing 1 on the first property and plus 15 on the second property. Same position value should be increased by 1. Next we write CSS properties to the content of India text. It is having the x and y values as 7 to display. In the center of the page, we will write flex, justify content as center, and align items as center, and position will be absolute with all sides 0. Next, for CSS tag we will add font family, and position as absolute, and top and left as 50% to display in middle of the page. After writing properties to CSS tag with animations, we write CSS nth child properties with font sizes and transform properties of translate x, y and rotate x, y properties. This will repeat for 10 times, but we have to increase font size as 20 pixels and animation with 0.3 seconds, and translate x value will reduced with 3 pixels each. Check the code in the left panel, there you can understand the code breaking. Then we will write keyframe color properties having 10 colors for 3D animation effects. Repeat the same for second time as keyframe instead of WebKit keyframe. In video, forgot to delete the WebKit keyword, so please copy the same as keyframe, because for browser compatibility we will write both keyframe and WebKit keyframe. Sometimes you can write any one of the following. Finally, you check the output of India text with mouse hover effect. Check the full code and try with your lovable one names. Comment me if you want me to do for your favorite names. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.